Zachary, ready? Go. How do you hop like a kangaroo? That's how you hop like a kangaroo? Okay. How about a frog? Ribbit, ribbit. What about a monkey?
Monkey do this.
How about let me see. Horse. Okay, how about let's see. A sheep. How about okay, that's enough. How about a cow?
Cows moo, 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 moo.
How about a snake?
Snake do it.
Hiss, hiss, hiss. How about elephant? Elephant? What about a tiger? Scary. Chicken. What sound does a chicken make?
No. Quack, quack.
That's a duck, right?
Yeah. Chicken duck.
Chicken, cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Good job, Kenneth. How about a mouse?
Mouse?
What sound does a mouse make? A mouse.
Oh.
Squeak, squeak.
Squeak, 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 squeak. Squeak, squeak.
Good job, guys. Let's do last one, okay? Last one.
What? Okay. Zebra.
Oh, zebra. Okay, go.
What sound does zebra make?
What about a lion? Lion. Okay, let's hop like a kangaroo one more time. Hop. Hop like a kangaroo, go. Kenneth? Zachary? Okay, let's hop like a frog. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Kenneth, go. Go, Kenneth. Kenneth, play nice, Kenneth. Daddy's watching. Okay, you're tired already, huh? Good job. High five.
I know everything.
No. You don't know everything.
I know a lot.
Like who?
Like Mama.
Like my?
No, not like Mama.
You know a lot like my?
No.
Like who?
Like Mary, and like Amy, and Chitara, and Goldman.
How about Daddy?
Daddy too.
Okay.
You too. Me too. Me too.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. I don't have to.
Smile.